guys, today I decided to pick up the Graco QuickShot. I decided why not? I needed to spend a little bit of money and I've been hearing good things about it, so I'm just doing a little unboxing video. I will be making a demonstration video and an initial impressions video as well. So it comes with this belt thing, so you can hook it onto your belt. It comes with a DeWalt 12 volt, 20 volt charger. Let's see, some pump armor, and a grounding cord. So if you're going to be spraying shellac or oil base or anything flammable, you got to ground it so you don't blow yourself up. Let's see. This is probably the batteries. Yep. So you got a 20 volt, 2 amp hour battery, and looks like another one. So two 2 amp hour, 20 volt DeWalt batteries. Let's see, let's get this thing out of here. Okay. So this is the rig itself. Very lightweight. I actually got to test one of these at a pro show when they first came out, and I did like it. I just wasn't sure about spending the money on it, but I have an upcoming job where this would be perfect, so I figured I'd get it. But not very heavy at all. This is where you put the paint. This is the gun. It takes just Rack X tips. This came with a 514 FFLP. It's a little big for what I'm going to be using it for, but we'll see. Okay, so right here is a little thing where you can control the pressure, and it goes from 1 all the way up to 10, and we'll have to play around with that in the video where I test it out. But the hose is pretty nice. It looks, so this gun is electric actually. There's electric components in the gun, so definitely don't get it wet. Like, don't put it in a bucket of water if you're gonna take a break for the day. I guess just turn your tip sideways like so if you need to take a break, but you should probably just clean it out if you're gonna be done using it. But it's got like this braided, I guess, plastic. This feels kind of cheap, but we'll see how it holds up. Okay, what else comes in the bag? Let's see. Of course, you've got your little quick guide right here. It does come with this convenient carrying case. So this is what I'll be storing it in. It looks like it just has one of these little things. You put it in the middle, push it down like so. boom, there you got your case. It's got two little handles like a duffel bag, and then this zips. And then got something from Sherwin-Williams here. Your source for pump repair service. I repair all my own pumps, so I don't need that. And then this is the owner's manual. So I'll definitely be reading over this because I've never used this before. It's a little bit different than your standard airless sprayer. But let's see. So you got a belt clip, battery release clip, prime knob, spray. Okay, anything important on here? Filters. Let's see. Let's unscrew the lid. Oh, here we go. So it actually came with a 210 tip as well, and it came with this mesh guard. It doesn't have a label on it, so I'm not sure if that's, it looks kind of fine. This, I'll show you what that's for in a minute. It came with 2 of those. And then it came with a extra tip, 210 FFLP. Also my rep is gonna give me, so I get 3 more tips for free. He's gonna get them out to me next week. He actually came and dropped this off for me, so. Okay, so there's already a filter down at the bottom. Now I need to know, okay, remove lid, then remove pump filter. Okay, so this should just unscrew like so. So there is the filter. This is another filter. I think this is the fine mesh, and this is just standard. It should just unscrew is what it says. I get kind of nervous anytime anything's made out of plastic, but that just unscrews. And this is the standard mesh. I don't know if you can tell the difference. Standard, fine mesh. The standard is probably what you'll want to use if you're going to be spraying latex. Maybe use this for like shellac or some oil. Make sure I screw this guy in here good. Okay. Let's see. Where did I put this thing? Okay. So does the cup itself remove? The cup itself does remove. Okay. So if you want to remove the cup, there's a button right here, and on the other side there's like a slot. So what you do is you press the button and you just simply twist the cup out like that, and then this is what you're left with. And to put it back in, you just do the same thing, but in reverse. So we go. And it clicks, it makes a clicking noise. That's how you know it's good to go. So then, yeah, you put your filter in there. Where's that piece I was gonna show you? Okay, so let's say you take your rig, you put your paint in here. I believe this holds 32 ounces. You put your paint in here, take your lid, and this little grommet piece should slide in somehow. Let's see. Okay, open storage plug while spraying, or sprayer will lose prime. So you take this, right? This is your lid. You're gonna make it fit on that hole right there. So it will look like that. Now it says open storage plug while spraying, or sprayer will lose prime. So once you put the lid back on, right, you got your paint in there, you put the lid back on, leave this open like so, or else you'll lose your pressure, you won't be able to spray anymore. Now, if you're doing storage, you run your pump armor through it, plug it like that, just close it. It'll keep it airtight. Or if you're gonna take a break, which me personally, I wouldn't advise to do that, seeing how this is an expensive ass sprayer and it's not like the highest quality sprayer. I would just clean it out. Take care of your tools and they shall take care of you. Now this is your ground wire. It's got a little thing right here that goes into the gun, and then this plugs into the wall to ground you out if you're going to be spraying anything flammable such as shellac, oil base, excuse me, I don't know, anything else that might blow your ass up. Make sure you ground it. The ground wire screws in right here, I believe. Don't quote me on that, read your manual, but I'm assuming this is where it goes. So then you've got your belt. I probably won't be using this personally because this thing is not very heavy, but it looks like, let's see. Okay, the belt clip goes, should just go on here. Something like this. Does this press inwards or does it slide? No. So that goes downwards. It's definitely like a button. So it looks like maybe, oh, I see. Okay. That looks backwards though, if you do it that way. Where's the box? Let's see. How does this guy have it on? Of course, it does not show. Oh, yes, it does, kind of. Okay, well, either way. There's one on either side, and this clips on here somehow, some sort of way. It looks like you push this button somehow, and it clips on some kind of way like this or something. Oh, maybe like this. Yeah, that makes sense. And then you just thread your belt through there. But like I said, I probably won't be using that. But yeah, my initial thoughts are this is an expensive rig for what it is, but I should make my money back off of it, off this job that I've got coming up, and it seemed like something cool to try out, so I will definitely post a video. I'll probably paint like a couple walls in the house actually, just to test it out before I take it onto the job site. I like to test my tools out before I take them on a job site, just to make sure everything runs smoothly, etc. The last thing is, obviously you could probably figure this out yourself, but this is where the battery plugs in, like that. So boom. Then you've got your spray nozzle or your spray switch, prime switch, just like that. Does it have a power button? I don't believe it has a power button. I think it's just ready to go once you put the battery in there. But this video is getting kind of long, so yeah, I will post a video of me using it, and then like after a couple jobs, I'll post a video letting you know if I like it or not. So be sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Peace.